Fristam is looking back on a history of 116 years. We have manufacturing sites in 5 different locations all around the world. We're using the opportunity of our new Taicang facility to have all the colleagues from around the world come here and exchange ideas to create a better Fristam and to move forward.
Well, it's been really great to meet all the people and have great discussions.
Yeah, I think it really emphasized our global presence and heightens what our possibilities are when we work together as a team.
The Global Summit is great. It's just a great week to get all of the leaders together from across the globe to share ideas and to push our company forward.
Oh, it's been fantastic. Over the few days we've been here, learned so much, got involved in a lot, great presentations. Yeah, had a fantastic time.
It's not optional.
Yeah, I enjoyed here very much. Yeah, we can definitely use that in Malaysia.
It was a very interesting day today.
It's nice to visit the new factory here and to see our colleagues from Southeast Asia again.
And besides that, also to meet the Fristam team and to know the new direction of the Fristam, and hopefully all of us can follow and implement that new direction.
This has been a very energizing and inspirational event. I'm really glad that we brought our daughter companies, the manufacturing sites, and the distributors to our new facility in Taicang. This was a nice time to discuss and shape the future of Fristam. Fristam, it's every one of us.